Hello and welcome. I'm Kaylee Cron, a licensed master social worker and certified grief counselor, and I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're brand new to clinical practice or a seasoned provider looking to sharpen your skills, this series was created to support you with one of the most critical and often overlooked parts of our work: documentation. Good documentation tells a story of care from that very first phone call to the final discharge summary. It protects our clients, reflects our ethics, and sustains the continuity of care that healing depends on. But for many of us, it can also be overwhelming, time consuming, confusing, even intimidating. That's why I'm walking you through, step by step, our comprehensive clinical documentation series from intake to assessment to progress notes through discharge. With clear examples, ethical guidance, and practical strategies grounded in real life scenarios. Each module in this series includes a vignette session to ground content in clinical practice, a breakdown of documentation expectations and tools, and a reflection on key ethical considerations like informed consent, cultural competence, and risk management. We'll start with mastering the intake process, exploring how to document screening calls and flag red flags, and move through the clinical journey all the way through to ethical discharge planning. And because this series is brought to you by ICANotes, we'll also touch on tools and templates available within the software to help you streamline your workflow and reduce documentation fatigue. This is more than a documentation tutorial. It's an invitation to feel confident and aligned in your clinical process. Because when our notes are clear, complete, and compassionate, our care is too. So let's dive in together, and I'm honored to be your guide.